Come today in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to activate audio control on this device. So first you should go into the camera app, and here on the right upper corner click on the settings icon, and here you can see the audio control section. Click here and click once on the switcher to activate the audio control. And now we can take a picture with the say cheese, and also we can speak loudly to take a photos. For example, we'll say the cheese, and now we'll go here to the camera app and we'll try that. So cheese, cheese, cheese. As can you see, the audio control is enabled, but I can't take a picture. I don't know why. Maybe I say something wrong. Cheese, cheese. Oh yeah, look, I just take a picture right now. Maybe I just say not loud, or just not with a good pronounce. So cheese, 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 cheese. Say cheese, cheese. Oh, look. So I just think that I got not the good pronounce to take pictures with the audio control. So that's it. That's how to take pictures with the audio control on our device camera. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.